let us discuss about the values the students should possess. The primary purpose of education and parenting is to nurture the children so that they can become responsible and morally right for humans. Parents and teachers play the central role in the formation of the character of the children. In other words, the upbringing of the parents has a significant impact on how a child turns out to be in the later life. The underlying mission of school all over the world is groom moral human being and different activities. And even the school curriculum is focused on instilling some of the moral values. So here I'm going to talk about three important values which a child should know. So first one is respect. Keeping it short, respect is the fundamental moral value. If a child does not have a moral value of respect, then the child needs the training to have it. From a young age, children should know the importance of respecting everyone. Often, parents teach their children to respect their elders only. However, everyone, regardless of age and background, should be respected. It is essential that students respect their peers and even the gatekeeper. The moral value is about respecting everyone, even if they do not match your status or are shy in classes. Some people may not perform, some people may not be good at something which you want, you like. Irrespective of that, everybody is a human being. So, basic respect as a human being should be given for everyone and should be taught to the children. Second one is tolerance. The second essential moral characteristics a child must have is tolerance. As the world is more tech savvy, so it is even more critical to develop this moral value. Tolerance will teach students that not everything can go according to their expectations. Also, it will help them accept the difference concerning religion and culture. People are inherently different. So instead of being cynical about it, children should be able to appreciate and celebrate the differences. And the third most important is integrity. It's a very important principle. Integrity is often confused with honesty, but it is entirely different. Honesty means telling the truth, but integrity is adhering to the moral values along with being honest. Children should be able to adhere to the learned moral values, and it is the responsibility the parents and teachers to teach them integrity. Since childhood, parents should strictly monitor their children for moral values and if their words and actions match or not. It is a must requirement to be inculcated in culturally diverse countries, including every country in Asia, India, every country, wherever you go. Maybe there are many people who are employed abroad will be more interested to know whether the child is following the moral value or not, because they feel that they are not in their own country. They feel that the children should learn the cultural habits and the thought process. Therefore, but everywhere the morals are same. Everywhere good is good and bad is bad. So finally, the morality is something which is the baseline for being human. Not being highly education can work, but lack of moral values are acceptable, not acceptable at all. Therefore, teachers and parents should ensure that along with academics, there are also enriching the student with tons of moral values, because that is what decides them as a human, as a person, and the world will accept them based on the values that they carry, because their actions are based on the values, because the values are based on the thoughts and thoughts are based on the beliefs. So this is the root. So we should be very, very careful in developing the beliefs in the children. Stay blessed.